I'm in a 2017 Dodge Ram 1500, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So first, from the driver's side here, we'll find this lever which we'll pull. That should release the safety that holds the hood shut. And then double check this cable's attached, because if it's not, that's something you might need to address. But now we got that popped. Head up to the front. You should see the hood slightly loose now. Up here we'll find this lever, so we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. That's it. That's what that lever looked like. So double check around. Make sure there's nothing bent or broken, no debris in there that needs cleaned up. If it's sticking a lot, maybe try some WD-40 to loosen it. And then up here's where it was hooked onto. Again, make sure nothing's bent. Also make sure your hood's in proper alignment. So if it's crooked, that could also cause issues. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.